Hello, it is Andy from Email Love, and today we are going to be building an email in Figma and exporting it to loops. So I'm going to jump into Figma first, and we'll take a look at our email design. So here's the email that we are going to export. It has all of the links, all the content that we want to import into our loops account. And so all we need to do is preview the message, make sure it looks good in desktop, mobile, dark mode, light mode. You can do that directly in Figma before you export to loops. So we can make sure it looks good on mobile, make sure it's rendering correctly in dark mode. And then we simply need to click on the export button at the top of the plugin and then select loops from the drop-down. And so this is slightly different to our other integrations in that it doesn't use the Loops API. It actually exports a zip file that contains MJML as well as the images from the email. And one advantage to using the Email Love Figma plugin with Loops is that we natively use MJML within our plugin, and that's what you can see on the left-hand side here. So it's very easy for us to export in that framework. And so all we need to do now is select the template and then click on the Export to Loops button, and that will create a downloaded zip file. There we go. I'm going to save it onto my desktop. And then let's switch over to our Loops account. Okay, so this is my Loops demo account. And what I'm going to do is create a new manually sent campaign. And rather than use the built-in email editor inside of Loops, I'm going to select the code editor option, and then I'm going to select the zip file that I downloaded from the plugin. There we go. We can now see the email has successfully been imported into Loops. One thing to note is that we do merge in the unsubscribe for you, so you don't need to worry about that as long as you're using one of the Email Love footers. You then simply need to go through the workflow, select your audience, schedule the message, and then you can see the preview of your message directly here inside of Loops. And that's the process. Very fast, very easy. If you are using Figma to design your emails, then you will want to check out the Email Love Figma plugin that will streamline this process. And it's saving our customers around 50%. It's cutting their email production time by about 50% on average. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to reach out. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.